Hey y'all, welcome back to Have a Brew with the Burford. Prost, l'chaim, cheers, salud. Yeah, I ain't doing a little heart thing tonight. I just want to get right into Maui. Man, Oprah and The Rock are getting slammed. Those assholes trying to play the same game these assholes always do, they're getting shut down. And, yeah, it's, Oprah and The Rock. Bye. Bye. And I love The Rock's movies, man. Kind of sucks these people are that way. It just is what it is. But, yeah. And did you notice that nowhere on the media, nowhere on the fake, just propaganda news did they show Trump's daughter and Trump out there in Maui giving out food and water and helping people? You didn't see that, but you saw old Mr. Potato Head Biden out there saying, it's hot here. I was in a fire once. I almost lost my Corvette. What a just potato head that just demented idiot is. I don't know who's pulling his strings, but he's a complete moron. And Bryce Mitchell, the UFC guy, badass, man. He won that fight, and he was hugging his, UFC fighter that he just won. And that old boy was from Hawaii. And he donated $5,000 of his winnings to the people in Maui. How much did The Rock and that dump truck piece of crap Oprah, just demonic bitch that she is, how much did they donate? They tried to get all of us to donate when they got billions, right? And millions. They're all just scam artists, snake oil salesmen. They're pieces of garbage. And personally, for me, they need to be locked up. They need to be locked up and held accountable for all their crap. Prost, l'chaim, cheers, salud. And God bless old Bryce Mitchell from Arkansas. Love you, brother. God bless you. I stand with you, man. And people are done. People are done with all this bullshit, man. Our border is wide open. People in New York now, they are just erupting over this. I mean, we're being invaded, people. You better wake up. And like I always say, y'all think it'll never affect you. Are you kidding me? It's coming to your doorstep. And just because you live in a gated community, right? These people that are coming over the border, those gates don't mean shit to them. You know, your local little security patrol, he's going to be gone. And y'all are going to be in a world of hurt, I'll guarantee you, if you don't wake up. And you better, get prepared and do it accordingly, man, because if you don't, c'est la vie. It's, we're in a very precarious situation right now, my friends, and people just want to keep on going, down their normal avenues of life. But you better look outside your bubble and your tunnel vision, because a real life is coming to you, man, and it's coming soon. Yeah, and how many more billions are we giving to Ukraine? I think it's 235 million a day that gets sent there, and then they funnel it back to themselves. These political, just I'll say it, assholes. These political assholes, they all need to be gone, man. They need to be held on treasonous charges, and the penalty for treason is bye, and they're systematically destroying our country. And you know what? I'm tired of it. We need to get rid of them all. No more accord, no more, anything. Every day we're being invaded, people. Every day. Prost, l'chaim, cheers, salud to all my brothers out there who, you know what's going on. They all need to be gone. I'm going to leave it at that. I love my Marine Corps. Hoorah! And our military. And, yeah. Get ready, people. This crap is coming to your door. God bless you all. Love you all. God bless the world. And please, people, get prepared. Later.